How to fix alignment errors on HP printers. Fix your printer when an alignment unsuccessful or alignment failed message displays on the printer control panel or on your computer. Load the correct paper and perform an alignment. Load unused, plain white letter or A4 paper into the input tray. Adjust any guides to rest on the edge of the paper and then print an alignment page. If your printer has a scanner, you might have to scan the alignment page to complete the process. Review the alignment page for scanning instructions. If there are no instructions listed, you do not need to scan the page. To scan the alignment page, lift the scanner lid and then place the alignment page print side down on the scanner glass, using the guides for placement.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Lower the scanner lid. Depending on your printer, touch Scan or press the Start Black Copy or Start Color Copy button to scan the page and complete the alignment. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might clear the error. Perform an alignment again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Check the estimated ink levels and replace any empty cartridges. If any cartridges are empty, replace them with genuine HP cartridges. Perform an alignment again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Cleaning the printhead or used cartridges might fix alignment issues. Perform an alignment again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If you have tried all the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printhead or cartridge might be the issue. With the printer on, open the cartridge access door. If your printer has black and tricolor cartridges, replace the cartridges with new, genuine HP cartridges. If your printer has a removable printhead, remove it and the cartridges, and then replace the printhead. Install the setup cartridges that came with the replacement printhead. If your printhead did not come with setup cartridges, install the cartridges from the old printhead. Push each cartridge forward or down until it clicks into place. With all cartridges installed, close the cartridge access door, and an alignment page prints automatically. If it does not, perform an alignment.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.